When replacing an airbag control module, it requires coding for successful commissioning. This process is available natively in your iSCAN device. In this video, we'll show you how to perform this procedure on a 2020 GLC 300 253 chassis. If there are required adaptations when coding is complete, like an occupancy sensor, be sure to complete these before driving the vehicle. Before beginning, connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure you have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between your NX and the VCI when programming. Be sure the windshield wipers are in the off position before beginning. After auto-identifying the vehicle, enter the coding menu. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Body System. Tap Airbag AB. Tap ECU Replacement Programming, SCN Coding. Tap Enter to continue. Have you purchased a new ECU? Tap Yes, a new ECU has been purchased. In this instance, yes, the original ECU exists. Please connect to the original ECU. Tap Enter to continue. Disconnect the old and connect the new ECU. Tap Enter to continue. Once complete, you'll receive a message confirming successful SCN coding. Tap Enter to continue. All adaptations are performed. The procedure is complete. Tap Exit. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and procedures for Mercedes Benz vehicles.